Conveyor belt. Plastic conveyor belts have durability, flexibility, lightweight, easier to install and handle. Semi-metal detector. Metal detector high precision check ferrous, non-ferrous, protect crusher machine. Plastic crusher machine. Plastic crusher machine. It also known as a plastic shredder or plastic granulator machine, used to reduce the size of plastic waste, making waste plastic easier to handle and recycle. Plastic friction loader machine. After crushing machine, waste bags flakes by plastic friction loader machine loading. Low speed loader, loose bags, pre-washing for further processing. Flood washing tank. Plastic flood washing tank is a piece of machine commonly used in plastic recycling line to separate different types of plastics based on their density. It's part of the washing and sorting process in the recycling of plastic material by washing tank roller, agitation plastic bags flakes. Plastics with lower density float on the surface of the water, while plastics with higher density sink to the bottom of the tank. Flood washing tank. By to hatch washing tank washing again. Agitation plastic bags flakes. Plastic lower densities float on the surface, higher densities sink to the bottom of the tank. To hatch plastic friction loader machine. After washing tank, waste bags flakes by to hatch plastic friction loader machine friction, loose bags for further processing. High-speed dewatering machine. High-speed plastic dewatering machine is a device used to remove excess water from plastic materials. Machine typically works by applying pressure or centrifugal force to squeeze out the water. Hot air dryer is a type of equipment used to remove moisture from plastic materials by circulating hot air around them. This process helps to reduce the moisture content of the plastic.